Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni people, back again, back with another video. Niyaz bafethu igama usabelo umfana kaMdluli, and yes people, yes, finally Orlando Pirates are doing what we've always been crying for. Score goals. Chippa United 0, Orlando Pirates 3, but ipaka liyaphumelela, Bentini bengicabanga ukuthi sizodliwa. That's what you were thinking. Bengicabanga ukuthi sizodliwa ngoba niwinile nina weekend. You all thought ukuthi yazi the main event sazobahleka laba bazodropa ama points, but no. Not only did we score 1, not only did we score 2, but we scored 3, bafethu. Our biggest scoreline so far this season. Is it the 7th game of the season we've played in all competition? That's our biggest scoreline and another clean sheet. That's what I'm crying for, bafethu. If you score goals and keep clean sheets, samba kahle, samba ngoline. Up the slum, you are doing the right things now. I told you. Play your best 11 and you'll see the results. That's what happened, bafethu. Best 11, yesterday it wasn't our best 11. Mfukeng was not there. We played with Tito, we played with Shibelebele, we played with Apolis. Depth at the end of the day, but at the end of the day, Mfukeng needs to be in this team. I don't care what you say. Rather drop Utito than this boy. Rather drop Utito. Either way, let's go through the game of it. The first goal, Tito Masangwai. Composure. That's what I've been saying about this guy. Composure. That's what he did. Left foot here. 1-0. Hoto with the second goal. Matala Hoto. Thank you. You've redeemed yourself because you've been playing cack. But you redeemed yourself yesterday, bafethu. Then the third goal, Moremi. Slowly but surely you are finding your feet at Orlando Pirates. Past 2 games, 3 games, Moremi has looked a different player. I thought using Lomfana lo uzodinga isikhathi, sengiyakhala ngikotha abasamhambisanga ngikotha, but you know what? Slowly but surely, he is starting to find his feet at Orlando Pirates. We won, bafethu, at the end of the day. No one is sad. Everyone is happy. Monday namhlanje. No, weekend enkulu iphelile, bafethu. Weekend enkulu iphelile. The boys won. Akunamuntu okhalayo, akunamuntu onyela omunye umuntu. No one is bantering anyone. What can I say? 9 points now. We've got 9 points. 4 points behind the Kaizer Chiefs, 2 points behind Mamelodi Sundowns. I said it. Ngoba sisemuva, bafethu. Sisemuva. One mistake, costly mistake, then we are out of this race. Ngitshelile ngifuna league, bafethu. Angifuni ama excuse. Angifuni ukuthi Abdeslam first season yakhe. Hey. I give him time. No. Not Orlando Pirates. We don't give time at Orlando Pirates. We want instant results. And the instant result that I want, you better win the league. Ngifuni league, bafethu. Rather Pirates than Kaizer Chiefs. Alaba bahla ngeke bayithathe league. Ngeke bayithathe, bayagula. Momentum nje. Adrenaline. That's what's happening to Kaizer Chiefs. They've got a shot. Babahlabe nge-injection. They've got the adrenaline. Drag lisase kubo, lisase inside. Nibheke kancane, they're gonna lose points. But anyway, I'm happy with the result. I'm happy with Abdeslam. I'm happy with the team. The fact ukuthi amajita sawayazi umsebenzi wabo. Hayi lento leyo ukuthi yenza kanje awuthi ngikuke. No. Those who started the season, abo Radio Pane, Radio 2000, Mashilwane, the right back, the lanky donkey. Ngicela bahlale phansi. Sobabona la, sobabona. Bafethu, I'm out. Don't forget, Orlando Pirates won 3-0. 3-0. We are out, bafethu. 3 of the best.